Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I thought I'd share with you how I keep my sanity when it comes to housework. I don't like housework. I would rather be crafting. And if I didn't have a list, I know I'd forget to do stuff. This is my to-do book for my housework. This is just a composition book that I covered with contact paper. And the other thing that I make sure I have is my Pentel pens. I love the way these write. I have one in blue and one in red. I write this out Sunday nights. And it changes day to day. Especially the craft part, but like Wednesday, I clean out my fridge because it is garbage and recycling night. And Sunday night I make up a week's worth of these. And these are just little stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree, just because I thought they were cute. You don't have to use them. And I also have a cheat sheet that I made so that it's easy for me to line these up when I make them every week. But all I do is, it's a bullet journal type list, and I just write in all the things that I need to do per room. I used to do a list that had times, but when my hips started hurting, I have to take a break in between stuff. So this is an easy way for me to know what I still have to do, because as I do it, I check it off. Like this morning, I just uploaded the Christmas palette sign. And I will be checking these off as I get them done. If I don't get them done, I'll move them over to the next day. This one that is completely checked off except for that, and that'll be done today or tomorrow. But I love checking them off as I do them. It makes me feel real good. And I'll try to give you a close-up of what I do, like in the kitchen, the dining room, living room, bathroom, and I even know what loads of laundry I want to go in that day. And bedroom, and the office, and I have several things I have to do for the blog on this, and the craft room, and the things I want to upload, and the things I definitely have to, as I finish these, I'll add them to the edit list. And this is the only thing that works for me. I have tried so many other things, but like I said, I have bad hips, so I have to stop usually in the middle of it and sit down or lay down for an hour before the pain goes away. And then I just go back and do what I have to do. And I always try to pick up where I left off. So if you find this interesting and if it helped you at all, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.